That lone red cross flag on the left-hand side of your screen, it caused a hell of a lot of problems in this race. This is obviously from the Triple Crown round 2 or race 2, whatever you want to call it. And obviously, if you don't know, you can't jump on a red cross flag. If you do, it's a 2-place penalty, which caused, let's see here, Cooper Webb, Lawrence, Chase Sexton, and Aaron Plessinger, and Jason Anderson, not 2, but 4, because he did it here, right? He jumped right there on the white flag lap, and also on the final lap, which it also looked like somebody else did there, but it caused a lot of problems. You consider that pushed Jet from first to third, which changed the points for that, and it's just it was one of those things that the funny part is it was Vince Freezy that was down on the side of the track. And, everything revolves around Vince Freezy for problems. But there's all these like things. Like, yes, that red cross flag is right there. For us watching it from a static position, fine. You probably could say, hey, it was perfectly, you should have been able to see it. No problem whatsoever. But coming out of a 180-degree turn, looking on the face of a jump where you're probably looking for the ruts, you're not looking for a flag on the right-hand side, it should have been it should have been where that camera angle was. It should have been right on the 180 turn, red cross flag, don't jump this next jump, roll it, and it probably would have saved a whole lot of issues. Consider 5 guys lost 2 positions, 4 guys lost 2 positions, and 1 guy lost 4. Like, that's a lot of changes, moving people around. Moves Jet from first to third, moves Chase down from third to fifth. You got Cooper Webb down to 6th, Anderson down to 7th. You know, it's just a lot of Plessinger down to 8th. It's a lot of points change, a lot of move around, and I don't know. There's a lot of things that people are talking about, like, oh, you couldn't see it, it wasn't being waved, and it isn't. It's not being waved, and it's not really in a great spot. But it's one of those things that, where else do you, like I said, I think you have the flag right on the edge of the 180 turn so people can see it before they even make, as they're coming down the straight, looking into the corner, they can say, oh, red flag, I can't jump the next jump. Solves all the issues. Don't put it on the start finish line. Don't make it a last second thing for somebody to see. I don't know. But you guys tell me, comments below, where do you think it should have been? Do you agree with the penalties? Do you care less? Did they really change anything? Probably not. But whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later.